Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege. Uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege.
Muroverio ogwetwani ya getemberi tukirigari ya Jumatatu kero twasere asekinse kia gatatu kyo muroverio yoiga erinde tunyare gusanga chinse mochire cha Facebook na YouTube tunyare buna Getembe TV na boigo na konye na chikire go kumanya ritukoria rero ose ase birebiga na kero tokorigereria ase anemono obwagachi bweche para aiga ase county ya Kisii na ase studio emambia bono na siseni ni siseni na abageni babere abo bono turachiko sanga na barabo nabo igopanyare utumanya na arari ali babwate bagusanga anemono ekiropono budget ye county ya Nyarire wetugo na anemono kora ekirotokire no nyachi county chinde cha Nyarire wete budget yabo tatiga tumurekere ase county ya Kisii. Karibu sana. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mbia more mbwakira sumwaru mbiale brane twete.
Asinara mbrateyo. Lakini abantu mbia babogete.
Mbia wana sana.
Yes.
Mbia mano muraria. Esinaru embure twete. Na ona atema kuimuka mapema. Nacho soka naso mutaro imi. Igongi embure na bekorete gasi engia so kwamia lakini ya tusariri chipara. Na kiara na nyoro lakini rende nsembiyere toikire.
Karibu sana. Ngoshaka na engineer ilitari yao na wigo tutinga ngikia gara kendo kwa mutaro. Pole sana.
Mbia mano muraria samarieta ankoro ko setoga nditi chino mu engineer which para ngolete civil engineering ekwambo lingi kiara na huo mutaro
ngikwari kubero mutaro imairo mu engineer bwe chipara lakini kwa huo mutaro
omete gari igetakere gwete pare ire ndonge ono nachi kwimuka kuruse itari kyo begi masige kingo tripuka gocha mugonga nabwa ne para nkweta anya na soiro bikoli konye nkagerete nga pare yunka gerete nga nengiyere anya na soiro mutaro imi lakini ndo buja natema kuri ye pigipigi nanyitiga ororo na akire na ikira
watige gari rikore
inatigera abamura natebona kana konye sokia kingo kora ende ningendo na kitoko nyire garage.
It's quite ironical. Umete ote ba no mwinjini wewe para lakini baada ya sokoru kwa rure rinda nime nkiekebe
ndate nga na wondo mu engineer lakini oboroso bwo engineer iba kwanda no burai kero burai botari oboronge bokurigeria ebintu birutakera okarwa abantu ba minto abakonya na korreki naso iro mutaro because nenje no mwana inchi bakangete para mana ko ikase igona bonko bo engineer onye tinga irie para ngo ikera ubunjini bwana mbaho karaki mbogo twara mimi
ya sana karibu lakini pole rende para ne chevengia. Senator, good morning.
Good morning.
Litari yao na boiga ai wate banga square umbrate twete
boyo lero town mambura ya twete biyigo we thank God emburero yara ture forum and again to chipara changede nembo especially kara e parero si da dream chingia
yes
ero bari te komenya samaleta ni gongoro kumishael Belinda Samuel Cheno Machoga and then the contract under in Kisii and across the country. Yes, asante sogo twarika. Turakwanira igoro ye budget yetu yaba ya some last week. Asitoro chenga asinale contractors ni county government ya Kisii tutari kuchikoiwana. Tokomenya. Se county.
Contractors mburi kuchikoiwana. I buna wacha ko roche parambia chire
baja not kudi kya mbura ya ture forum amna nago tebi the more mbure to the more damage ego cause to our roads ikiagera mostly akonyona neka dokoro chipare jose baro siri drainage chingo chiri ya twara issues onye ndori ko korusi obuchabu kare bwasoire metaro imakonya macha ya chiri para demo agocha para demo ipare yegokwa igo embure ya turu almost the whole year. Don't expect chipara chibe chingia, expect worse roads. Yes, going forward.
Yes. Na ekero Senator Kirongo chaka nae kero tukurigere chipara nchiroro kero kende abo moncho murigere batari gochipa manyanga ki chire chikobe che serikali national government wego ichi county konyora ngebrero mbiroro kero kende bikoruto gocha serikali enene gosibia cha se county bitabona to gocha se county ekero kwandara chipara che county.
In Kenya, there were the two levels of governance. There were the national government and the county governments.
Yes.
In that process, the national government mostly okoraji paracha Kena nere okoraji parachi nen. Tuacha kura. That's from the national government I'm talking about. Kuacha na kera. Kera mostly nigere rural roads. Kena yani kura yaba towns only. Na county nebwate chipara kuigora. And mbamanyete kuri omuntu namanyete ngiatakire gukora tokonyara gukoni views ngene yanyarebe nene nyarebe nandekere tokora chipara ngobe kore even signpost it shows nga ebare ene ye county government and this road is for the national government or kera or kura yozo konyara gukoni views they are very clearly labeled na kira abantu mbamanyete unless you want to confuse people.
Mbona sana wakwanire budget ingi omachandora se budget ya serikali ya county ase omwaka oyo gabwechi besa 2025 gocha 2026 kero kino muchando yonorori
koru around koru mutinyo kane ntuwa chagete kuiwa rumors that the next budget the county government yetu ya Kisii ni ekoenda ko kora machine science go kolere gasi nyene tukaranga no mocheso.
Yes.
But later on ekero public participation ya chaka we requested for copies chiwe budget na doja korora kai kumbe abanda they meant what they were saying tukanyora the county government has set aside 1.5 billion each kora machines to go to make a cross chipara.
Yes.
Which means county government ya Kisii in this year and going forward. Tell you go contractors bakore chigasi. Nigete de we korera yoke. Bono into na contractors ikinege ndoge go to touch. Our work here anene no cross chipara na chinyomba asachinde.
Yes.
Wana karoko nyanga county government ya tigire ekasiyaye ya governance. Nigete te kuinvest bono nero ya bere contractor. Kaitogoja. Ainara maswali to kwebori. 2. Since immemorial was all over the world. Yes. Any government in place we call it gas. There is a reason. Government yenyene teri kunyara wa kolera gasi supervise na ende kolera audit
sababu nerere kende bono contractors mocha mwarusiko makole mirimo.
Pardon?
Una bono contractors inumuli part of togote ba muri kirine county lakini paka mungu atirana ne county obu ya abwa ko atirana ko gamburobi
gukweresira mangana naye iga county government ni wati chibesa cha public na any money ye public rasi metu meke in a level where okonyo oranyore isiri ekonyora koba audited kwarore oisa konyora ngabono the county government ni geko yakorere gasi yoka ngakitoko audit government
ngayoko manyanga kichibesa cha
ngakitoko ramanga chibesa ichi kaichiachete tu oisa kuri budget ya Kisii niko bali gete korari tunga buying of machines. Insa mundu tara kweresa nga nigongo chuko agache pale kurukwa fulani nini ward fulani. Nga kitogo cha audit county government. It's like somebody sat down agade abande to go machines ngende ndeme anywhere I want. That's not how we do our governance. Serikali netakiri kurika ngaki ekana na bekire chibesa chinganiga niyongo chikokora para kete so that ekana auditor agochi ni agoteba kwa bekire chibesa chinganiga wakanire gochia kaye pare ye.
Yes.
Bononga itugoja kurusie pare. There is no list of roads chiri kirensa chigoteba nga these are the roads we are going to achieve, even the number of kilometers akuna. That is our big issue.
Yes. Mbona sana na engineer tukaira na soreset ai koro sensemo yao budget yo kero ya so kero kende ngakio igwete
moralimbe yamono budget yo kero na njina nyirigerereti na rigerereti ngaranga amagoso naro amagoso garo in the sense muna my brother atiekere gukwana budget igere nowadays actually nja kerenga budget ya serikali itobwate ntukunga itemized budget ntobwate budget iri yarenge ya kiukoroni okubeka chipesa watabanga ni chentu meke chipesa kete kokora gento gete rere budget yokoro si watabanga nyene koroto ngogorande ke koroto nyen size tutapesa 6 ngogorande koroto binganiga. What I want to say is inga budget yetu ya aboni gatogokora ni chere buna bono kisi county eto kere kumanyanga ki buna inje nkorokoro masige east paragete na paragete ne chekoru ekwira chipesa chinganiga noroje ine re budget itakere kokoru as by the regulations pone kenari gete budget nganyora chipesa chibekiru almost 1.8 aso kogora machines emara muna chuina re panama guta na hinji na bokiango sete buno monto na indana ne buno monto bune professional as a industry ya construction ntebenga budget eteringia sabantu baitu bakisi county ne budget ebwato bobisigete anda kitotanyare komanya
kero engineer kero toko gendera asinsemo intangani omangana public participation ya koretwe kero kende kero mwarigireti ngane yiga mwanyara tokonyora time yoko raise your issues ama complaints
umurali na bonta etago kotebinga public participation ya kisi county nja korwa and bali ba haroche gente kemba resete dia concern but remember no resia concern onye leadership getagete gwetie gento rasime gieti no resi wa concern but ne kuri yango chakobingi yanga ki abantu baito bamanye gente kenga ki nonye baiti budget yeye bado aiche kwa wazi tera eresera erere tumanye nkiu chiko okora buno muntu inte eto kora terege nteke.
Yes.
My brother na kwa about mechanical issues we have tried this thing before njena arenge se serikali yo mugakongwae mwagongwae gachagete ne gete kya mechanical agiruka forced account in 2015-2016 financial year nyitindi wrong tugakora egente ke kiarengo rogwate emergency issues nkiarengo for the reproduction kabere karagia temetu ntuanyorete nkiabwate challenges chiaye ikagera kwa enkoro program ibuna ya enkorani etwabwate forced account ya engwate critical issues muna bone kertu enku urachipara tonyora chipara ichindi chiche enku urachita enku immediate sufficient with it twatanga tika toigore chipara chi contractor chiche chinyore chigasike kogera a meaning ya devolution iya chete ebintu bichange na saba tari amagendere roka nonye kekiri yakabere Nairobi echiche sabantu eri na turanya gwikera mama mboga na turanya konyore besa no ranyore besa ugure kende yekogera ekera tutete ko develop economy teri ko ba developed on one line it's robust iko kunonye ne para gwakuna manyanga iko kwa affect bintu ange bine kuchimate that's why totanga egenteke eyo minto na kwa negoro nge serikali ikora business. It is true there is no government ego trade with itself hata we say you ego reduce check
wake kuna abantu baisiko.
Yes,
checks and balance
chiko ba interfered with bono na kiura habe na yo takeire ko monitor na ndira yo kokora onyare kumanya sama kosa ali obo ena to kokora ki to kumanya
nande to gane kopoliwa
na to ko gane kopoliwa because roche you own that obwate monopoly of everything na yo kumanya nki okora. So I want to say that ndagete ku advise our leadership a program etogocha ne problem chuto beka emechando igoro. One, it will lead us to a serious audit queries. Emara na kiuchu quantify na kikuwa kora kwala ivadi emara muyi etakera koba kiasi fulani. Onye tuliko tumeka tukuna competitive tendering process. Kabere in a nutshell egente gusa kukeligereri nchekera na keligerereti na hande kuti my retro experience sasa mangana ya a procurement ekenege ntoguchi ko goteneni account ya bosongo umwaka umugima tutabwa services troje budget ngobere yabera approved from the assembly ngogendere kaeche koba allowed be implemented. I think nguchi ko chumutenyuka no gatano ige minute gatiga bakumutenyuka no gatano ntobwa ati kasi ekokorwa
na ekiro korigereria aba MCA no ba ringe barigereria budget wikayetire ekiro kene no nyana ya sokuru no gwato mu MCA ogo kero kene mu gwato bwa moto bia ko se mbori bia aba MCA barabunga ki ebirengere bya bonga ki bya ringe kiro ba maitenga kutigara morisco
umurari for your information ina aligeti ogo MCA bwa Masige East oyo minto maika akambwa chikura na inde nataka kurusia narrative ngaki anda kento bwa dobo is my friend
obembo yo
na inde chemse chinge chabo songo they are my friend a number of them they are also quelling this movement ne ringa basibire umanyete to bwate leadership wera if you query again to get wrong you are a victim of a circumstance. No road. You go a GMZ na jiro jinjiro jenga. This thing is not going to work. Actually, that kisi yoka county which cover these machines. Nyamira njagolet.
Yes.
But if you call them, I have my colleagues there. We were discussing about the inga again taken a monster. Egia sinyire. It's like we are dumping resources there. Go to Narok. Back the machines. But these machines are not working. Yesterday I was ina ngo sanga no a friend yane okora Narok. Kante betimwa abantu abemusi beto bayenkomanyege enteke ekine kibe sajia kisi county cha ngo enda se economy chigenda to koraki ko misused. In the nutshell, the county government mbabwati the capacity to procure a machine more so a machine worth 1.5 billion. Remember, that's a serious investment. You go to Minating Akisi County, you get a correct investment. It's a company, it's a multinational company. It's a construction. You go, I may think, in general, getting a chance to get to Jakis assembly, you did go to a company. And then you get the invest, which is Congo, Boganda, Moino, Pacolegasi, or that investment. But it started a function of a government, a county government. The county government did it make life easier, improve the local communities because you might take and public participation.
Yes.
Public participation is the core of devolution. Erinde ocho tegerere ground. Otegere abantu ba inkibatagete. Umanyingi kemisetize a community okore. Inaria abantu bakoreki baisanike ono tubwate participation okwanda kwali yabangi na bero tato bali umanyete ngabamba akonyara ko boli swali wabarangeria kwate abanga turachinsa ibere ko seisa toiga tuakore participation ndi bamyo kiro jasanga so there's no sufficient time for
engineer asise moyao kiro kende contractors bande mbayo bategete pata say okorigere budget.
I think those one batabwati bwoba mbanyirigereri nahinde mba communicate email inchi aruraria abantu baruti afuse abange mbaru batinka keretenga echira isako fall on a deaf ear inki the way the system were made na bakora keligitari ko ba bwenere irinde ba budget ba trash because you might tumanye tinga what is the inki kere ko bongo bwabo ime kabisa inki batagete gukora
mbia muno kwira na sore senator sesemo yoburai korwa no nyana sitaito ya senator kiro koriyo yoburai kiro kene no burai buko ba fail bwa gerere mu atikaire siko.
Thank you so much Madilda. Lakini ndio go chakaiga ekero ongwae alendete a program yenge ya MTF to open roads. The first thing akolete he came up with a policy guideline what he intended to do and so forth. Ikaba enacted at the assembly. Ikabarao, even the control budget, akabarao go to make that money. 2, boniga tuikire obogambi bwa Simba Bwaradi. He is coming with a program, a policy guideline. Are you going to use them or you are going to use them for this? Even the national government, they do the mechanical it does an act. We are going to buy machines, and these machines are going to be for leasing to the work of the gas. As we speak, even the whatever this guy or around the background assembly, you cannot pass something without a policy. This is how you are going to spend that money. You go from our hand as contractors. Again, taking you to manage koti. No, any again to go a budget, bono, but it take very long to be implemented. Why should we go that route? Avadari, before they could do this, they go back to asabando like stakeholders, back contractors, they go back to currency wonse. This is the proposal we have in this field, the construction. Because to issue your machine is really Mama Mboga doesn't know that understand what the machine is. But for us, we understand. But when we saw this, we sat down as contractors, we came up with the memorandum, which we sent through emails. But remember, a government to public participation is just for a formality. You saw even last year, Ekero William Ruto added with the budget. This budget is going to hurt us. He ended up konyeti, tukamukani pi. In the end, Ngwaroje kids walked to the assembly, and the repercussions no jebu. As our constitution, 2010 year, governance that's meaningful for the people. But they are what they are supposed to do. But bono, I think in Jova, you get a formality. You montago suggest again, or weep, maybe never MCA by, or they begin to get. I even talked to MCAs. Go babodi, how do you pass something? Care of this net, Mondo, they might, Dogonara, Kendigons, you go to.
Nkiba sibiri nkiba go itabira go sibwa kero kende kyagere mirimo oyabo ba eteno mwana inchi bono paliko yekora kora ndiri chiko.
We are in a very sorry state as a county. You know what the governor go intimidate kero mondo so that they are not together. Uraboniga osako genda osemo tonto okanya na GMC they are not in the assembly.
Ba okora kioro.
Abandi ngo sibaji suguri abandi ngo kwariga ni barabantu are you getting it is a very sorry state of affairs to Reboninga. Instead abamusiye batakere ko ba the assembly baba bako enact rules chigora to konye ko jumpstart the economy ngo bagenda ko sasi abandi ngo sasi mabaleboninga moto. We are telling them, they have been crying actually, they have been crying tikatoye kuchibesa chitubikabana. I'm very happy. The other day, the president assented to the bill. It could separate. Chibasa chia buy we manage because when you chibasa in one kitty, or you're wrong at Yakoba, and Yakoba Akoba Chandler. Born in the independence, one of the Amate, you have the independence, financial independence. You are not going once I got to having a key, and to Bugatti. Tokonyara kokora bintu gaiga chibesa bo ni chino chire mobwate mowe kodera moya kane mezara morale modi amangana yoko anda motonto I think should stop.
Senator igente ko tefakia motonto kirkende timba itinga tinde tiko so na sense mo ya siasa metingi yochi yakore kanaro
motonto medenge eshirain I don't know whether you get it. It's like a shida in the back and Loro, especially MCAs, every day could report. Are you getting? 2, in Noembugo, Arisore, Osa Conyoranga, you go to get this. It says you go to kill him. On your renga, you have a compromise in Ejirani, back on your GSNR, which means it is say 30 what a Masikan, and you go coin in that family. There is no way our MCA Vadora, but a kid oversight the governor. Okonyo anga bamenyete mwanyu mba bande no babate mpaka jiri mubagora.
What evidence? Ntutate ko sana.
Gati kwambo give me time wango elesere.
Ntutate ko sana na bwamate.
I mean those are my friends. We even talk. Others are my schoolmates. I even tell them on their face. You are not supposed to go intermingle an executive. Your work be at the assembly. Na you are oversight. You are a watchdog. When you are a watchman, you got no more. Will that watchman be giving you service, or they are in a cahoot to steal from you?
Tuko yarekana. Tuko yarekana. Tuko na sense mo ya machinery. Seta. Creo que no wata virenga into wate chikontin chirecha vire chikugora machinery se chiga kosi chipuna bono chi tractor creo que na chomo anchomo ligeria a correlate bwango evira kitabyo kore machipara na ibintu binde binge. Ingi kiagerire creo que ne ba failure. Kosi ya tokenga na de bade vira kitabiri mbiri ase chipara kuru pia gore to.
One is I think a lack of policy framework. Inkinami ini by the policy framework. Again to yomita kwa nanga kindi yonsi ke okokora. Okutumeke chibese che serikali. Nita kire kwa ruo murobelyo. Naki again te ke chokora ki oja. Na denki yego chikokora.
Yes.
Ikara kwa bekiro murobelyo yo. Na ali kwa mara kubike ntokoro kanga maintenance framework. Igekora chigo fail mono mecha dina mangana maintenance umurari. Umanyete machine yeri teringe erosiri perfect. Machine na begocha wetero bogendi meipito bwate chi operator chitabwati enough experience use chachira kokoli ga siasa adi challenging machine yeri yakora yanyoro muchando. Ikira yanyoro muchando. Onye mubwati akria policy ya maintenance machine ya hararire ekera yarara ne chibesa chaba na inchi chiri chatakera kokoripa epara a good example ntu agure terora ga ndi ruguru erore nya during ngwa style erore ye kaende kabuna echumeri ye drum erore yuma taboni kano ere gari inki chibesa buna tu che serikali buna chire turi kwaye kuchibesa atramsa chibesa chiko chabuna chikoto chigotoka nkorore bagotebanga na nasoro gametera tutumira chibesa etoke machine yabunekire mwabwate budget yoko nyemente university chibekira side machine yorujero chokora mere ikina kiya chandre chikaunti chito chende muna bono na nkubuli na buna nyamira ngwa ngotebanga even the operators mbaliko ba motivated inki okonyole machine yeye kwa hiyo machine amahuto wopi meire aso uchikokole gasi watebirio moneno gungaga amashine eteko ni ngete kote ngenda ramunura anyare kokole ekole imirimo. It means we are misusing a machine. Kuna baona mwitu chi sovel igen tongere kebwa machine ye tokonyiro ke sovel medina kimuranyiro ke inu eye kubugolia amarabo ili etakere ko bujamara bebekerechi chigari lakini umanya ko yoporta yatanga gendo tumeke machine kuye maramu maramu ntuke ko yangere kebwa to gombi kuruku excavator. That's misuse of these machines because of lack of experience and lack of knowledge. So ndutake tenga onye machine chiko gorwa tonyora kiria maintenance frameworks abantu babe capacity build na inde egentonkere na chitenga nyoranga ki umanyete chi machine echi gusinya gukora imirimo konyoranga ikigo kigutume kubuna whip political whip because konyoronye muna bono tigantu make example nga ward A na ward B MCA koruga iga bariko wana neo mugabana tabwera masinia iga ko hirase elinda murwaniese uyamanya okoraki amane koranga bono tigamo join ge kwera pressure ya rule sawa na inchi gochasi asinde in the process kwanyora even the operator ya kokoli ga sise so niye nere because of that political backlash and the sort kwanyora ngambali free so ekende buna bona magana afuera toro china mukora machines mote benga maguta moete contract ge te basa pramagu amaguta contract ye kira yanyora chibese cha accumulated chabire chinyingi amadeni nere pakao boy buno muto ikora ne biashara korteki ali ega kubali na maguta kira bana balite ga steteneti ile point inde kogera these machines kitanyare gokora cheers nyiro ko produce in those environments as
na asenseme ya madeni kero asekero I think asemiaka ya raitire twabere toko twara kose serikali county ya Kisii ya berike utwara issues na contractors na boigo amadeni contractors abange kwanyora ngambara baba gwa kano na umuchando ningo netipesa chitari gotoka osekero kene no kungusana na gosensia se gosana na se mangana ega
amuralia inchebu no mobuna one of an investor in this field ikonko teba siasa inki na bokonyora egasi buna incho nyenje na lengo office na ruete egasi ekarwe uturuasi a procedure clear lakini okoba mfirete ngoyo ruete egasi na anda kena benefit this dirigete na nje na ganinga ninte kere ko benefit in the whole process na nyoro umuntu nkumisa no uri okoretega egasi uri innocent so ndatebe ngan siasa because onye gasi ge kolire documents chirororo a project you kero nita kere wakan ya kogero yo korete gasi eretarmanye timangana siasa ya inone buyu kurwani
yes
tianko na mana yo pending bills
yes
akero simba airede chikura we are designed with him an MOU alia coming back agateva one he will make sure he has paid us our burning bills two nigare kuchiko wa abantu baitu chigasi bakora subunge takoinyara ko uniform abantu baisiko out of even to alikiranide as an MOU he has made none. As a contractors, it was between us and him. We signed. I was there as a person. I was the a witness. To sign on behalf of contractors. Let me say this. Ekeracha aga constitute a committee alikora unanyakundi. EQS nyakundi. Akarani exercise ya verification akasoki report. Report ye kaba televised all over the world. Kurwa stadium. Agadevanga he has only realized nga chiga sawa kana 200 million. But it is unfortunate as we speak boniga. Nyakundi as retracted yamangana na arangeli abantu baguru contractors. Akabatebinga a report ya sometu at the stadium was a cooked report. Akasabu kwabera.
Ngobono bwana takoba trusted.
Goto ine chairman ya gototebi. Na arangeli abantu kuchinyakoe. Akabatebi I'm very sorry. Whatever was televised there nigo ya ngubolimo. I'm very sorry saying encho na ababekire obogemo bweno boko by in a very bad state. One of us,
yes.
Most of us abandi abaruwarde boniga abandi bakure. Even none kero senate yale ngege. The governor acknowledged nga out of Amadeni area there are people who have died. Other people are in depression. Bandwani bakwira wana school. Lakini una my brother atebire gayo. The governor is playing politics with our funds. Na hali tigato tebia abagusiba
nerebueka senator ekero gutume kamera yega kero kene nerebueka kuseniga tibono ye timu eri yaye gokoremera monere
ndo kwa portion blame to everybody. The governor nere uliboni gaini power. He makes decisions on behalf of the county. boniga era as a person nje nkumusabaiga atige games because boniga oron siri another verification team even in Europe to kuira muntu kabere kotini over the same issue because it is the third team across after the Nyakundi he came up with the Kenani team ya Ruroro he has now Nyandieka and Abinja team
bono na kimugo chigo solve issue ga yeno ikiagira bono
we the other day koendera akora egera senators ba chaka over the pending bills we were supposed to present our memorandum do you know what he did akabeka guns they chased us away we couldn't submit our memorandum but because in the electronic ways of doing these things we had to send that memorandum to emails and so forth right now we have called upon a senate onye a minute nganere sure angango to konyere eche verify project physically kore contract date ne a project yaye onye na akora na ne stadium wa ntene ntebenga this is what I did and it can be seen atike kote bya bagusinga
nemirimo igakora
kaera and is using unfortunately whatever we did the county government is using those services of ours but it is denying to pay
so including our water contract across stadium bado na more birere WhatsApp group ya
stadium mpaka tata track area ba edirigari ba saliri for him erinembe for him stadium mugasa ko all meetings every day in Nembe
digo more se WhatsApp group contractors sponsor cross county
umurali ngende go clarify embeo umanye teri embeo yabeire political narrative ekero kuligereri ekero gote bunge project gete mise tinga chitari kichogo chaka chitari kichiri rubeli arwituri yo gukora imirimo chitari kiryogo chaka njiriko bwatani ikinge qualify project koruko embeo because those are clerical works
the project yeko mokero
na jiba ko post batibono se bajaitaba abantu bito ba understand iko kwempeo project ne kolire ekini omana konyora nga uweva uri olenge koligine ko be kama sakarali se file kitari kijiriche liruba lya ruturi ya ward na commencement yotenga within 14 days diriko teba after 14 days ono you act ere kulingana no birenge libyaye umaite so ndina kwa bolinga egaba nanjuke ko nere kusina abantu bandi who is the CEO of the county is the governor
yes
and the park stops at his desk so any blame neba nanya ko teba ngana abantu bamuntu
tawati no nya advisors
nere ori I doubt but rende nta ko ba match professional tebe na abgata advisors but from the way I see things neringa awakaba natari ko tegera advisor chiai ababwata ubatebi nguna abantu bo musara imwe ina bali ko bisikali yo musara batie bintu binde okora nakortaki nametena kiyako bikora
bona singana yaino obukonyi ngai burache kurukiagira amangana contractors ekirwa bere ka kugenda yabere ke kumukiriberera litinde nchira kimurache gukonyeka ikiagira na bado na ili ogina licheri yako onye ne step te konyara ko pate kene serious kero kende nande na bo konyora county atigere na mes
I think entora arus o le kogera room jare ngo for dialogue and still neroro I think it's high time our governor ari araisinga aya as much as he atagete go survive politically abanda kumisa that contractors work is killing families is killing business community in Kisii County
mobwata bateneneli mobwata bateneneli baino yes
ntobwate control of budget ntobwate office of the auditor general
yes
auditor general nja korte kasi ayeka submit reporting this project is correct na ndo manyanga office of the auditor general nere mandate okora an audit of a public resource ntobwate this senate you oyo mintate baba ye memorandum ndokanyite the verdict ndobwata arigo we because onye nabo kuri tiero nga invest in a certain project umanyete ebengiara temanyete nga tidakan enende ta kominyoki ono rochonya ya ikere nga ya ikero moyeli ndoko genda rinde koti
na akira batenene baino kiro kende mitambo kiro kibara ubanya rero kuimukia
I think abatenene betege nteki yaba kolire banyarire gukora dialogue barikiri chimbinu chinyinge cyugo ikaransa no mugavana n'uyo mitate bamba bwate MOU bayenko basaineti batemera komotebinga ona the MOU onye kuruchi project nchikoliri inchwa ebye komo nyene tugutari ikitatageti
tari gotaka gotara kurigire cyo project ya
project teyo wadenga etango tari project na korete ire kurwasegete kuchiasegeta wate rugunga na rosire committee umaite committee my brother naenda akwanire gai kana taka umurali eye drain tactics umanyite remember financial year tobwate ne 2025 2026 next financial year political mangana ye campaign pone eye drain tactics anye ku hold minds jaba contractors inde banye kutware ebyaga soma ki anda ko muntu yo na chakoleki na chatwakana batinga ke yachira yonsi oni go accumulated like now budget yetu aligereri ga igusa koligereri much of the activities njibwate besa ijire kidash chibese chibaje ye muti nyugu no koera and all these projects automatically go transit to bending bills no chako tebanga na chanya re kusing the supplementary will not allow him continuing ongoing projects choka transit to this the fact that anything with bending bills kirichi chi alengo ororo ichi inherited meaning that in a nutshell I'm sensing inga ata keteko tukuta chi contractors echicho spinach project ni chibes chabo chyo chons
engineer ne kero tukurigereria kero tukotebanga kanyara ko inherit kero kenda madeni asense mo ya contractors bada madeni tarenga ro kera boso ha serikali ya retete bado issues
amadeni na arengo obu yambo lika madeni ayanyorete na arenga madeni konya be certified na auditor general to be genuine remember COVID-19 it was a natural calamity any government paka yaengo tele needs development again they go address an emergency no roche again take gioka onye chi project ni cha kolu cha takere wakanu ngo aroche the president himself igate betenga bono our energies should be more pressed towards mitigating what COVID-19 ikimondo tayo ngo tanga ngakan paka arengo tanga no let us go for this is a serious issue ikiuma te kameke bending bill bending bill yeye ya very certified to be a bending bill whatever unge project ngo wakanu ya chibes chikaba chikale makuru national government lakini chibes chabo nchiacha umaite buna ako soiga it was given money what around 2.0 around the
pending bill
as pending bills yes ikiro kende kwanyoranga contractors talibonse bakorete mirimo yao boikirano don't you think nga eyenero nenchire yemo yokoreta okungusanana ukugokoirira gutakanwa kwa bwango
umurali
yes
a certificate egasiye serikali igeko ba raised again to tebanga interim certificate ni ile ko tebanga ki egasi yakolu yekira segete engineer yare isi certificate kulingana egasi ire wakolire elinde yaba process ile ko echinguru na ndo ogenderere because to understand the thing and to ati pesa kisa ine twensi lakini stay ile ya moyo gokinania ni elinga rasima tokoreki tusaidiane buna bono ntebe ngwambwa tegasi 100 million to expecting colleagues ya 100 million inko lepi umane ko ngakana no paka tu wana ki stage 1 usena akodi na ikira sasa na bekire ma 10 million na ikira ngakane part of my money na university gaiga elinde na indengendre ito kunyiroka interim certificates so egasi yotanga ukeboikeranu
yes
egasi onye contractor ya akodi gasi mwakane kulingana buna akolire ikote mine dinga
asaikeire
sasa kitatyo echi
negasi tatapogetirende
gasi tatapogeti you know an engineer is trained because EQS ge kore ise certificate so mu engineer kore ise certificate mpamanyete ng'aki egasi as by the bill of quantitative naturality egasi esekerete ekereta erabe ng'a ndatebe ng'a ekebe ekerera atoke ng'omonto gwakanira omonto egasi atakorete akorete akori niki gitakeire riboti gwase relevant authorities chi investigate omonto akoreki abwatu because okuno okuibera serikali
ndio maana sana senator ase baria contractors abatara bagokora imirimo yabo ase obwikirano na manyanga iki kia ukuna kwanyoranga na barabu kiro kende buno mugavana nonye kirare go service na tebete nga kiro kurigereria chi project inchiraro chinyinge okorige kwanyoranga maene mirimo tekore kaneti aroro
in construction
yes
is a very easy way you kumanya gas na go quality. First of all, it was in the bill of quantities a PQ. Nera go de banga ni go na de gero korosi e para kilometer ibere. Be ko moro mu kilometer ibere. Kere ba go jigira that's what they look at. Na ro sirie na re mire para ji kilometer jinga niga. Enya na re maaf na re ba ko ngakana. They can't pay me all of it.
Yes.
Kwambati naende e certificate nigebwate nga onye madile ni gali mede para chikundi jinga niga etoko mwaka na nga niga onye takore digasi turu wakan. What we are telling you abanangeri nga ki ebintu bile certified to be paid whether is 10 shillings paid
bianchira
ni gyagera ni gokonyora ekere inspection ni go chikokoru chiwakan okonyora engineer na eri omuntu procurement no ali omuntu finance no ali kwarali bona abantu ababonsi gusembane gusembatano mbagende ba certify nga egasiye mbiye coordinator kodi. I'm just that's an hypothetical question. Onye ba ku certify bono aetu akane obugata ba obisaba. That's what we tell him. Two,
yes.
We have even told him, onya egomede ngane mbeo ya koletu. Contractor tarbiye ko kolembeo. Paka your officers mbali ni forward. Who have you arrested? Who have you taken to court? Who have you taken to EACC from your office? Whatever mungwano, he has been doing APCD. None.
Na ekero tukona sese moya contractors kero kino twarorire chi project chinde chikoba chikoratera chikurikire kwanyoranga contractors na babwatete chi project kadha ana mono nonye chikorwa serikali na mayene county kuse national kwanyoranga their delays ase okogendere chi project chiga kero kino tukoranga ama ainobuna contractors ama gosongo chare acha sense moyeno
again otakere kumanya rero.
Yes.
Ekerana ilwe contract. Government diriko ngabesa ngokorera gasi. Niongo genda ndigi my own means. Nichi invest in that contract.
Yes.
Ekere project for example nene. 2 weeks expect na my brother tebanga mbuate nkore gasi at once. Incomplete my gongakan. It has never happened. Onye na akora efesi gete nigongo lisi certificate ngakan. So that enkonye kuiranega egasi nyeturanga kana anje nabo nkaranstenko ganyite. For example, there is a case boniga a cancer center rurali as is told ekaroko ndoko boni
etimu ya ino nere ensembo ya ino contractors
abun contractors.
Yes.
I'm just saying aki inje buno umuntu nabekire kibesa cyane na ari isi certificate yo ngakane elindengira na mugondo onye turanga kana na nje ngarashite ngokajede mpaka jinso ko ngakana ngira ne mugondo which means you have to replenish my account elindengira ne okora your project. When you talk about it makes a project to be very difficult to be completed. Another thing, another comment raga.
Yes.
The issue one you to attend ne county government ya Kisii. Osakurige the budget is is 15 billion. 15 billion, no single pending bill refactored.
Ego mwakanire.
Akuna. Even in Niro. Ego tebaiga. ekerokoro si budget the first charge
Spending bill.
is a pending bill yani igura ali kero kwanza koro si budget ukubeka ri deni dia tanga na igura
Yes.
kwarorire lakini kisi county government na madeni ya create tete to factor in this budget, which means a budget here is not undefined.
And kinari kuburia bwa sense moye budget, don't you think nga aba rival ba kiri chukura na barabumba ba fail it whatever nga kende bona ba MCA
na gote bikare nga ki as we speak according to me account assembly rura nige I can
symbolic.
Is it symbolic or is it important? Te konyara we execute
elioneri kongo lakini rende
when I say
yes.
when something is important
tema ko polite kiagera sa operable na boko nyoro nae kero kendo we can stay as a county assembly.
I don't know but yes. I don't have another softer word I can use for now. Or if gosoisa koko kabeziriete yoringe nditumekera bebeta. But for me karango nyirigerere in totality. Te konyara gukora gashiri ya etu because he compromised. Ikegera I saw even I watched their proceedings. Others were complaining ngaki turasome budget ga na ni bintu byabone omuntu chagete ne MCA yameguru kwa musondeli ebintu byabone bigendererete bitarakanu. I can't see them here. Nali bachite ko tanga ki abandi bakamaka kuboka ngaki bintu byabone mbiria but all in all kwa batakire goitie budget the bending bill na energy jabo if about it iri ngoya tigete ono gusinyunga ki who are the advisors of this government.
Yes.
The government ye igasiya niriri bamanye their work really
advisors abantu bonsi baonchukana ine serikali
CMCA moralia jina wao tanto kwa CMCA.
Yes.
But the system back work under yaba nakinda tebe yaba korogiro bongo baka bande okonyora aroro na bago support yegento uja kulia rais bada nege bono yumtata nga bande bakaja kulia rais. That's assigning our units representations at least njira imoka igoro chibe serious. Onye there is something kere ndatebe kere a very bad spirit. Yuko kiri devolution is the kind of budget toro cheboniga kusaba MCA baito ba etiri moso eri uchikogora chi machine because akaroro che budget ya Kisii County 1.5 billion chiko na kugora machine chuma tari Kisii County chiko produced either they are produced from China or somewhere else. Igemine thing a Kisii County chipessions be which ko lose chire almost 1.4 billion ngoba chire taken outside the revenue base yaitoga ekere chiagenda. In fact take up you yonspi na kitoko cha kwenye bridge ebe seye ya ngoche county tote ebe chipare chibe kuchie kuchi contract chi nkenke kero montanyore emine tinga nkucha kwenye kwale nkokora ebintu sabi go chenjia norayo manyana bokoranga enyewe kuna kasi nafanyi even our micro enterprises chire taunia bono chiko nyara ku njibu ati mundu chiko a grant because yo manyete nyore rate of award igonko minyoko chi sairo kimaiga chibengie chinke bangi grant minyoke ground yali ngoli umungine maramu kingende kugoli umungine maramu na agurira mesiyo umungine agwete para na agurira litoke noroche amaguta na agurira manyete amaguta abantu ikerdo go igase go koruto tebuna nyari bali rugurali nyamasibi amaguta angu gole aka petrol kale kali nyamasibi. That's money revolving in the economy. Kali kusonga. Lakini baonora the approach serikali iteta ketekoro is the want to centralize everything and the spirit of devolution was to decentralize these services.
Na ekiro gukwanira buno kuri abantu ebiasara n'ebintu bindi bingi ntunyare kumenshoni gati y'ikiti mugose abantu bari barachiko ba losers especially kire budget ire egesa kubunekera
In got everybody including you. There is none who is spared in this budget.
Explain ucha someone cho muri gekero kenda manyanga ki onye contractors impari konya wale mirimo njena kigende kige ko affect mungena na bakwe boli karenka. Yes.
Once nchakire border. Border nende kuchaka worst it. Inki border abantu bakulina border. Ngobora bali. Umanye tekere gasiye kole kanalisa bumali. Ikerengo ikase gari tari gweta ne pikipiki ngobukulie koraki. Engire. Border barusiri ebyasara. Kabere chipale chite omwamamboga. Ekerende lisabu mali nako tebi nkoligi nko pakandi umusi. Pakangiye keli itoke. Pakangende giyosikinda hagere. Igo mama mbogo rocho ni chingini chayo gideri chingi kwendi chayo ni kuchi chingende njiraho niko. Namba isato. Abantu ababwate chi hoteli uko vijijini. Mbali chonyora customers. Egi ya gatatu. Onde bwensi okoni biasara. Oyo mwananchi bunanje ngo chikoborunde egende tokoroka disposable income ninki chibese chiri ndahanyora chire extra asa maganiane egerende geringa tyangende ngole yanga endengere ngati ngende ngole ebikoro to igona kingo tebanga budget etegete ko kirie biasara bya kirengenjo nonye saruni nonya baswati baito bategete ko babuya basaruni tekan nonye iginyonse because ingo jaka tori ko ligiboni style to ko enda garia toja ikoli kusini chibwembe toira nege korokeri toja ikokinga because timbu ati besenda nyaro koraki korenge nintete kuimekimbe peta ande inene kono
engineer ntubwate bono aboroke obasomera chiskuru bali se chiskuru cyo bubundi bakora chigasi cyamawoko I think ekero tukuri amagana construction
ine point ko nyene bire abana baito bali ni TVET they are not going to get employment because skills chabo ngai ba uchiko chie oroki hakuna because onyenje inje mumanyete timbuga tigazi nje muire moteka impere formania nteninira ngaya ucha konyora special expertise skills ni ramanyi kiri in the industry for example je ndongenda to kwa na I'm sorry to say this boniga chigasiende to kokorwa
yes
are you aware abantu bakokora chigasi ya Kisii County they are from outside ngusagara ngene friend yani from Kiare igambole tinga ingikegendreta bosongo the returns withholding tax ya Kisii County the revenue base igere Omabay na Kisumu umaite kingiye okoroki abantu bagokora igasi ibaruete Kisumu na bararia no Omabay abande Nairobi nonya Kiare bosongo ugekumetinga target tu buna Kiare to collect withholding tax chigocha is not ours
abantu bakana rumusharole goro bakorusiko
umusara pay abuna abaka egento ngero umanyite development na ere county
yes
employment okube kuobisi uri umusara ororo baka bono na Kisii County met engineering gatubwa there are over 15 engineers but what are they doing no musara beka bakori eba ngo mbolinga bono we are really done aba engineer banyene ba kubolinga bono igarende ingirenda tuali kere tuwa because we are not exploiting our skills. Ego is a demotivation.
Yes.
You can take about Karanga siasa. From a very broad way, you can take impact yaya. Upon the Torah siasa. Lakini impact yaya ko felt after siasa. Nemucha kubulina ki we wish we knew. Abantu baito tutakere to ba open. Because tuisha kutaka hote abanga bone genteke to take ku keligere ringa bono mugaba na noyo ito tikato mu support elinda eti birenge lyeguna bire without ku keligere from a side ende eminete na intu to genda to kokoraki ko bachi catalyst to genda wanchereria okugwe county ya Busongo county ya Busongo ugere central iya indire ngaki yigete buna bono KTR Busonga abantu bayenko Tanzania acha kurwali kwa aba Maasai mba manyete ngana rukunere Busongo ba manyete abagere ku Roma pay mata eba manyete Busongo lakini boni yanko ruri chiambira sigoja the kind of leadership tubuate nite kubuka at least ya address the real issue na inde mtonate banga our governor is our age mates I acknowledge that But the kind of leadership tuwachagera korra from our youthful kisi readers bata keirebe analyzed
omaitera mukumayana no monto lakini yatokange kero kende sense mo yuporai kwa nyarongo monto sayase mota moikeri ngoira na zore seneta ekero tokurigera mono ensemega yarokane ukugungoraro naki situation yo chukonchoreriwa kero togocha ukora
into bona contract
siasa tari gochikoburukana ime napo igo amabata achikone
into raikia bagusi abarai nande aba na biashara.
Yes,
we want a county ekuguru. That is our aim. Na negara to kwa na baoniga, we are not criticizing the government so that it can fail. Iko to kunye criticize asoko nye kosoa ekole buya eto services, because a government is for the people and by the people. Mondo talk of is your place. Evenga whatever you are doing now you did the way benefit. A county anywhere will exist because of me and you and everybody. Which means whatever we do, it's okay we can do twins to our consensus. That Madida, you are ideally the another talk so that we want to asuka as one people. To we can answer Muago or draft something, or this is what this a must work. It's a democracy. In dictatorship. To tanyare kwarao in this era. Igo etuare go sabaiga. A budget ya verenga ya etiu. It should be revised before it to move to the control budget. Anye mangana iteyo. We have several means on how to curtail that until somebody atotegerere. One. Two, you want to go saba omugabano atige kotesa abantu bamwabo. Tuna abana bamwabo. The reason why atarao abantu bakanu kibesa abantu banyore kigasi bakore is what we don't know. Ngige korani in his mind. To kunyara go hurt your person unless there is something in you. Utatagiti this person to survive. Erebu no monto nigondo chibune budget yeregega nikabate budget over almost $1 billion in his office. Oimoki 1.5 billion oire China or wherever useni Israel uchukura useni machine. The local people abako to taxes kaikwa babeka.
Njevana rati kagote. I think issue neraro anamono nonye gwita agwikira anonye nasi abarai baito bonsi. Ekero tukurigira the whole team ne bwate eshida neraro. Ekiagera kero kene marange kwa rore nonye ne kero murai bwense nerako akora gwe biara okonyora ngatari erebuka kero kendo uko rigererwa. And as much as nero moteneneri kwanyoranga abantu bari bara around him kero kindi information akonyora na boigo inchira bago mukonya go direct ebirengere biae yare tugurayo go
na gote biriga you know na bonko bomurai ntwara abantu bangeta enene gai who are expected konga omongoso lakini nyadini ko bategerera is none. Igera ngoi wono ya William Ruto ndo adangaki William Ruto agwe advice break. Manyo what advice as akoba advice ba mo advice. Are you getting? There is no difference between William Ruto and Simba Arati. They are one and the same.
Ekere kiao. Ekere kiao seneta.
No. Ekere kuligere their way of governance. They are the same. In terms of kibago living. But back micromanage. For example, around 2 months, the government has not been around. But do you know the county government until he comes, whatever they want. Nothing for 2 months. Boni gosa kwenda rugurari mbona bako process payment inka gete no eneka omo control budget atanyare gweti. For 2 months abantu bekaranste bakanyete nga ndio mugaba nawe je koruka kwerende China ato instructions on how to move. Igo a county to run as a government. Tudiko ba treated binegi osiki if you go to garinka asinaria okonyo umuntu narugwata ga osiki gakonya mandasi nechi sabuni ago ikasambiriga usieka ogenda mugondo gotorecha antiriache. That is what is happening here. Araja gusike a county government and the China currency.
Senator Umaite is still the governor.
I'm not denying governor Asimba is our governor.
Yes.
But I'm saying he must put systems in place, whether he's around or outside, they should be working. No, the antiri tomoganye nga aseti pattern tomai wanza kokore coherent. What I'm saying is the truth.
Omoragia
Bebo na sana sekrengreri kiao.
to kwa bolia nga into play matter readers na banda to go with my brother slightly ne buna kwa kwana leadership
Aba msingi baraga nyero mugavana chakuru asachete ama kugendere mbiremo.
Itakira ba incorporated in this process.
Yes.
And if they are not incorporated, babwate a way batakere go demand for that incorporation. One is through impeachment. Our MCA readers mbaroro lakini ba Misiri one power. Onye koroche na no constitutionally no allowed ko kolege ntogete. Kwa be kirwe baria. The minute thing ko fold back yote nga bono tigane chete discourse. No. Pakota kire na yoche okwanenga no this is not right. But ingi kyagra na tebanga prabaito mbaro. Intubu na abantu batoko kolerwe gasi. Igo konyora ni twa batanga ni toko genda isikali twange akumyoki umurayo ngaki ngyo tiko batsirie gaba na toko gasi na kwagende pare tari korosi. You know in a way MC yeto na bera ali to rwanere twanye rutambagina yako iri back na intubu na abantu twakoreki twatoka ngane twasoire so eturabwe yo koreki yoko
Moment pressure
yoko yeria chinguru cyumurai. So I want to say nga barida ntubanje even you ntubanje te nyombe cyoburaria tokonye go communicate the right thing.
Yes.
The problem to bwatenga murabona nkora tegerera ndingi to tegerera interview bunechiga chi discussion yechi itakertwa chi discuss to objective because nabakonyore nimbwa to bube naye lakini karende buna nitakere ntebe koba neutral but isege ntokerekebe naye buno murari tema kugekwana teikeranga to gwikera twanjererie asegete twasuka igonto kokonye county ene yaito twanja miaka 10 ko herere ande mwa bura ibonde ngo chabori gose ye 5 2027 ningo ikere ye 27 mnego ika ndo bura ibonde boje etokonya ku side no bura tunye kumnyoka iga itoge ndrete kuibeka asengo tutanyari wikonya igona bonte tukukura pona our leadership both from the county to the national kuna bono umurari incheno mubasi
asita kekemo asinche bro
na rubo basi epare korunya mache ekorumogonga yagenda nyabite yenda kyobe yende menu eyuira murumo epare yune yakera no matter for the last 3 years njana kwa egubesa esengenjo yake inge korumasige so element of separation hani uko disa na kinatebe okutaka ko marginalize ata abantu bandi kurwaswe konyora benefits jiri batakere konyora constitutionally
mbia mona sana kojo wakorire
ndina kora kini na ngote banga
yes
ko togendete kuna gukwane amangana ye mecha rubune to kiya toreta ye chipara entutake tukobolia ba MCA baito aba MCA baito bali consider their stand gusaba ndi bali gere budget yaito ese chibese chibekere 1.5 billion at least bachiate bachiyake bisenye babekerekere word ne chipare guchikonyora iri ne turamanyanga ki at least ekitota getako konyora so mwakole motu chipara gitokora kinkorosi guchire lakini bagotiga chimasini echi chigoru chimasini echi procurement process ye machine ye project ekabune ende kumaete ndabera abete aba free and fair abantu bagende court ngo gendere usine emyaka ebere ka tumacha konyora benefit of this financial budget igombuya bagende buno yomintate mapema banyare gutanga ukuguru kwechi machine yechi chigasi contractor chiegu na ende moso roko contractors ba because kushina the 70% of the projects chitu the roko that chigenda isiko ono kisi count is vice versa. Actually, 10% maybe usengo ikachire, lakini that's the situation. Otherwise, go karambe ya mama ase airtime na inde koitukulira atoke ndocho toere mono lero
nekero vya viro vya na rumwaza mwate bangaki onya pending bills chakaniro moita banga chakaniro abantu banyore chi contract mbia mona sana. Senator na engana ya yo mwara
my simple mathematics the 1.5 billion akarangwa ke sabwa usakujitoma into words ego translate to 33 million
asokoro chipara
every word asepara this money 33 million
chininge sana
33 million that's wonders. In fact this could be translated around to 25 kilometers.
Yes.
In every ward to 25 kilometers of maram pakanonya karavats chibekire. The government
actually started 3 because a rough estimate per kilometer you are supposed to spend 1 million. Actually get bakama karavati. 33 million kere wodi ta 33 kilometers. Unless there is other culverts.
Or it can be even 35. You go abantu bakuruku MCAs. Please chibesechi chirani chibe kwase chipara as a contractors banyare gukora chigasi. Otherwise you are going to ship around 1.5 billion overseas chitanyare gukonya the local people.
That's my kama gyo kanate kwane point ya yemo. Umugaba nitona agura chimashini nye. Last financial year. No wema itachipakira ali fire station. Nje na kosoka.
Era a story for another day. So wanja se onega tiga tukorero moroberega kurindo mwancho muriro na kwegurebirero mbere bakuboria buna contractors korwa se county ya Kisii bono mbali gocha konyora emirimo na ukuboria kwa bocha se abaraye gocha se aba MCA na boigo omugavana abanyare gutegerera gusebirero byawo binyare gutegerera irinde emeremo irane ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii umwancho murigire ase ritukeri gari ya Jumatatu ngokwiranira ombuya mono kigema hekero onarenge nere engineer Seth Oga Onditi na Boigo Michael Samuel oyoro mo contractor na Boigo ogoko vera samugana siasa county ya Kisii mbio muno mwancho murigereria oika atinga kichinde asebono kendera gutwara opurigererio via ya Getembe TV.
Thank you so much.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Omuguse igwa amaguru